Hi everyone, it's time to answer another question from a parent today. Here is the problem that she sent us. Annie had a sum of money at first. She spent $182 on a bag and 3/8 of the remainder on a blouse. She had one third of her money left. Letter A. What fraction of her money did she spend on the blouse? Letter B. How much money did she have at first? Let's start with the bag. Let's draw one long bar and label that $182. That is the cost of the bag. And then she used 3/8 of the remainder on a blouse. So that means we need to put 8 equal units beside the bar that represents the bag. Now, those 8 units there would be the remainder of the money that was left after buying the $182 bag. Now, 3/8 of that remainder was spent on a blouse. So we will label the 3 units blouse, which means that the 5 remaining units there would be marked as the money left. It says in the problem that she had one third of her money left. That means the ones that I marked orange, the amount of money she had left, is actually one third of her money at first. So that means if 5 units is equal to a third, then the whole thing, which is 3/3, 3/3 would mean how many units? 3 times 5 would be 15. So if the whole thing should be cut into 15 units, and we already have 8 units there, that's actually representing the amount of money used for the blouse and the amount of money left. That means the remaining long bar that's used to represent the $182 for the bag should be cut into 7 units. That way, we will have 15 equal units for the whole thing. And we're also asking here in the problem, how much money did she have at first? So we'll mark the whole thing with a question mark. So for letter A, what fraction of her money did she spend on the blouse? Let's mark that orange. So we can see now that 3 out of the 15 parts are shaded. So that's 3/15 or 1/5 in simplest form. For letter B, how much money did she have at first? Let's now compute. Let's start with what we know. We know that 7 units are equal to $182. And we're being asked what 15 units are equal to. There's no way for us to get what 15 units are equal to if we do not know what 1 unit is equal to. So let's compute for that first. To get what 1 unit is equal to, all we have to do is to divide $182 by 7, and the answer is $26. If 1 unit is equal to $26, then we can compute now for 15 units. 15 times $26 is equal to $390. Annie had $390 at first. I hope that this video was able to show you how easier it is for kids to solve word problems if they can visualize them using the models. If you want more practice for your children on using the bar models, then this book is perfect for them. The Singapore Math Bar Model Method book. The good thing about this book is that it has QR codes that they can scan so they can check if they answered the question correctly and if they use the correct model. If you're interested, check the websites here, Central Books, Shopee, Lazada. And if you want the ebook, you can also get that from the mindsetformath.com website. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.